KitchenAid can sell a product at $7.59 on a keyword kitchen scissors that costs you $3.92 at top of search placement. The big answer here is that they have way more sales than you. What I mean by this realistically is a couple of different things. One, they're probably not paying $3.92 like you are. A lot of this comes into this idea of relevancy for Amazon and bidding. Amazon's algorithm, just because you bid $3.92 on something does not mean that you are going to show number one for that search term. My favorite example of this is that if I am selling a deck of cards and I, on this deck of cards, decide to say, hey, I want to bid against this search term or keyword balloons, and I am going to put my deck of cards showing up for balloons. That is not a relevant search term in the slightest. And so it does not matter if I put my bid at $500 per click. I can do that any day of the week, but Amazon is very unlikely to show my deck of cards on balloons because the relevancy is not there. People are not going to click on it, and more so, people are not going to convert on it, right? Now, simultaneously, someone who has actual balloons can have that same exact search term and be advertising for their bid at $1 and they show up, whereas I don't, even though my bid is $499 more. So why is that? Amazon wants your ads to show up properly. They want relevancy. And so part of that is history. It's sales velocity. It's your click-through rate history. It's your conversion history. And all of those make up the relevancy for the algorithm and for your advertising. And so when you look at something like KitchenAid selling at $7.59, are they paying $3.92 for a top of search bid placement? No, probably not. And even furthermore, they already are rank 1 organic, so they probably aren't really heavy on that search term as actual rank 1. Secondarily to that, they are a huge brand name and they have sales velocity, they have history, they have reviews, and they have a lot of overall rank 1 positioning, which makes them a very, very good product within the algorithm to show up all the time organically, but also not have to pay as much from a bid perspective. Conversely, you have a product that is what I'm assuming to be relatively new. You're trying to break into the category. You're trying to sell a new product that is already technically there. You have competitors. People are already selling this product, and you're wondering, or why is it that I have to bid so much? And it's because Amazon doesn't know you. Amazon doesn't know your product. They don't know if you're going to be a relevant product within the category. And so even though you're at $3.92 from a top of search perspective, to be fair, kitchen scissors is a very broad and general search term that probably has tens and tens and tens of thousands of different products competing for that search term at any given time. So with that, Amazon is going to test you within that algorithm, but it's going to cost you a lot on the top of search perspective because it is very competitive within that realm. So the answer is yes and no. Is KitchenAid advertising? Probably. Are they paying $3.92 for a top search position like you have to? Probably not. No. And that is part of the idea of converting. Now, once you start to get clicks and once you start to get conversions and Amazon realizes, oh, your product might fit here, you're probably still going to have a very high bid of $3.92 and compared to KitchenAid or whatever it was. And the reason for that just comes down to this aspect that Amazon is going to put them above you as far as relevancy because of their history. That's all it is.